Unafugo onyechi ya nebu ya gayangu. Unafugo uche chukwu n'ụwa nya ga-eme. Unafugo onyechi ya nebu ya gayangu. Unafugo ife chukwu kwuru nya ga-eme. Unafugo onyechi ya nebu ya gayangu. Unafugo uche chukwu n'ụwa nya ga-eme. Unafugo n'ụwa na onyechi ya nebu ya gayangu. Ife chukwu kwuru ya ga-eme. Destiny, destiny.
It was you. It was you. It was you in that car. It was you who made me miss my Prince Charming. You.
From afar might be so close to you. Remain who you are and never stop being kind. Makanechi Ifurebuka. Just believe it.
Let him stay. Please, let him just stay for the night. We cannot push a dying man away in the cold. Please, he doesn't have anywhere to stay. Because he doesn't know anywhere around here. Please
shut up! Michionne, keep quiet! What are you even saying? I am asking you, what are you saying? Allow a stranger in this house? What has come over you? No, tell me, what has that stranger given to you? What? This is the same person that made me miss the appointment. The date I have with my long-awaited husband. My Prince Charming. My billionaire husband. Do you know how long I have waited for this date? All my life. My whole life. I have been dreaming about this day. This is something that is supposed to change our lives for good. And that evil stranger, that devil made me miss the date. And you kneel down here, pleading on his behalf, that we should forgive him. How? And you stay right there pleading on his behalf for him to stay here, under the same roof? What has come over you? Don't you have a conscience? Do you even know how I feel? You've not even bothered to ask me how I feel. And you're speaking for a stranger? Okay, one. Please,
I am really sorry. I am sorry if I hurt you with my words.
Yes, sir.
It's just that I am concerned. Let nothing worse happen to him. Let him not die of cold when we have the opportunity to save him from that. Please. Because I am Biko. And there is something connecting about...
Listen. Ikemdilim or whatever your name is. It is obvious you took your bath in the same river your mother did.
Obviously.
Your own. Are you crazy? Eh? How could you be so kind to a stranger? Someone you barely know. Eh? And who told you that having a kind heart pays off in this world we are today? What did he give to you? What am I even saying? As a matter of fact, that overgrown beard stranger is supposed to be locked up in the guard room for bringing bad luck to us today. Even what the gravity of his offense. You're here, pleading on his behalf. I said, get out! I said, get out! Get out! Now, Mama, get here. Hey, Mama, she doesn't even have conscience. Eh?
How do we manage?
Calm down, Butu. Calm down.
Oh, destiny. Oh, destiny. Could be delayed, but can never be denied, no. Denied, no. Onyechi ya nebu ya gayangu unafugo uche chukwu n'ụwa nya ga-eme unafugo onyechi ya nebu ya gayangu unafugo ife chukwu kwuru nya ga-eme unafugo onyechi ya nebu ya gayangu unafugo uche chukwu n'ụwa nya ga-eme unafugo n'ụwa na onyechi ya nebu ya gayangu ife chukwu kwuru ya ga-eme Destiny, destiny. Akala kamado no one do ya no. Emelu man one we man no where I'm featured no. I'm a mage boy, my hero get featured no. Irigezo, mana awu gachanata o, uche chukwu, abunya gemenata no. Unafugo, onyechi ya nebu ya gayangu unafugo, uche chukwu n'ụwa nya ga-eme unafugo n'ụwa na onyechi ya nebu ya gayangu unafugo, ife chukwu kwuru ya ga-eme
Get up. Eat as so that you can have some strength.
No, I'm fine.
No, you're not fine.
Fine.
Please get up. Get up. Please. Yeah, sorry.
Look, I'm fine.
No, you're not fine. Sorry, just get up. Get up.
I'm fine.
You're not fine. Get up. Sorry. Eat so that you have strength.
No.
Then we'll know the next thing to do. You go. Please.
I'm fine.
Take. Sorry.
Okay.
Yeah, take. Please, just take small. Sorry. Pepe. Sorry. Sorry. Water, wait.
Water.
Never stop doing good. Maintain your integrity, loyalty, and honesty. Pay. Tomorrow has a lot to say. Wherever you go, tomorrow has a lot to say. Tomorrow has a lot to say. Sometimes what you seek to have from afar might be so close to you. Remain who you are and never stop being kind. Just believe in God and also believe in yourself. Oh, tomorrow has a lot to say.
You shall not die. You will rather live to fulfill God's purpose for you on earth. Wear this for me. My coat of many colors, as people often call it. There is more to it than just an ordinary dress. A special gift from my grandmother, filled with love, joy, protection, guidance, good fortunes, and anything good you may wish of it. She made it as a present for my mother when she delivers. But then she died while giving birth to me. According to her, it was with her last strength and savings that she gathered pieces of clothes, which she used to sew this herself. Have you ever received a gift from your mother and she blessed it with tears flowing down her eyes? This is mine, from my grandmother. It doesn't come out all the time, but when it does, it's for a purpose. I make a wish of it, and it remains so. It has been working for me. I call it my biggest treasure. Wait. Wear it over your body. Then I can now sleep like a baby through the night, having in mind that you're safe and sound, and no evil shall befall you. Then when tomorrow comes, we'll go and see your brother at the hospital.
So much in one dress. So, tell me, why so much love? Why being so nice to a total stranger? How do you stand again? Huh? How do you stand again?
You ceased being a stranger the moment I realized pain and sorrows were the common things we both shared together in our lives. As for what I stand to gain, that I'm not sure. When you have the opportunity to help someone, grab it. It's a privilege. You help yourself as you help others.
Why did it take you so long to open the door? I've been knocking. I was sleeping. Okay. Do you know how long I stood there? You were... Why is your room smelling man?
Man?
Same man?
No, it's not.
Okay, this room is smelling okay. He goat. Do you have a he goat in this room?
No.
Okay, it's coming from this way.
Nothing is smelling.
It's coming from here. Okay? Okay, one is. Yeah. Okay, one. Have you started wearing he goats in your room? What is? Mom! Ejimia? I can hear voices. Mama! Come!
It's not he goat though.
Chimo! What the Jamaican Jesus? You hid him here.
Okay, please.
Okay,
No.
Mama! If I give you one blow, Jamaican!
Mama, please.
Mama, shout! Mama!
Please.
Hey! Listen. I do not care to know who you are. What's I want? Neither do I want to know your mission in this village. But in case you have forgotten, if for this house is not a hospital or refugee camp, Okeke's compound. Okeke's compound is not where we entertain mad people who have lost their direction. Otuacha, I am not interested whether you have any family or not. Obasarom, I don't care if you want to die, but just in case you're ready, just in case you're ready to join your ancestors, not in my compound. Ngwa, halele, una. For your information, this family is expecting an August visitor, and we do not want any nuisance. Neither do we want to entertain any bad luck from you again. So time has come for you to gain. Ngwa, vamos! Azubo! Shut up! Please what? Yeah? Utocha? Did you hear what I said? I said leave! Leave before I charge you for break and entry. What's this up? If the devil is where person at my house. Hey! Idiot! Jamaican Jesus! This is a baptism of anointing for bringing so much pain to me already. I'm going to open me. Idiot! What have you done? You had other places you could have passed. What happened to Rupeleke Junction? What happened to Amokwe Junction? I don't know. You decided to take my route. You decided to take the same route. Something I had planned already, Mama. You just shut up before I kill you. Nice now. Unwanted Malian. What are you doing here? What are you doing here? You will die. Boy, kill him. Please. Ow! Don't touch me. Because die, I said. Please. Okadindu. Let's go.
Akane kunki mereme Ingwe mesiasa Oh Obi aja No wana jaranja Akane kunki mereme Iwe besi yosa.
Why does your brother have to do this? Up until now, all his mobile phone numbers are not connecting. At this critical moment, why is he so stubborn? Why?
Mom, I really don't know. I learned he left with one of the guys, Dikeh. I mean, I also tried communicating with him, but his numbers are switched off.
I just hope my son is okay wherever he is.
I believe he's fine, Mother. You just need to take things easy. Okay?
I need him on ground. He needs to be here.
I'm confused.
You don't need to be, Dikeh. You know what was said about fate? Sometimes its destination is unknown.
We are on a mission.
Maybe the mission is here. You must understand that whatever happens in this life, there is a reason for it. He that lives up there and watches over us has a reason for everything. For every single person we meet, there is a reason, and there is a role to play.
Still confused. The whole story. What really happened?
Love.
What will be, will be. What will be, will be. Oh. Although it might take long, but destiny no dey lie. Destiny has a voice. It speaks so loud and clear.
There you are. You're already awake. You know, you were very weak when we returned from the hospital. So I decided to go home and make us some food to eat. So I made us ofe nsala and akpu. Yes, you will like it. It's really nice. I hope nobody has come here to disturb you both. Anyways, nobody will. This community is known for its hospitality. Moreover, this land is one of the numerous lands that belongs to my late father. So I can use it anyhow I want, and you can stay as long as you wish, depending when you're able to set up yourself or maybe find somewhere else to stay.
Thank you very much. My brother and I appreciate.
You're always welcomed. That reminds me, you later went and cleared that land. And I was hoping to use 2 days to do it. You know, I actually thought you were joking when you said you will. Thank you. That's good news because Maz Yokono has paid me for the job. And I was able to pay up for the camera phone, and I also got you some new clothes just to add to those ones that I got you already.
Thank you.
Dikeh, I've never seen a man as strong and courageous as your brother. He's such an inspiration. It's okay, enough of this talk. Please, let's go in and eat.
Oh, destiny. Oh, destiny. Could be delayed, but can never be denied, no. Denied, no. Ijiza chaya kibwe. The wages of sin is death, but the reward to the righteous is everlasting joy. Oh, so which have you chosen? Oh, destiny. Oh, destiny. Could be denied. Oh yeah, but can never be denied. Oh, denied, no. Could be delayed, but can never be denied, no. Denied, no.
Come out here. Oh yeah. Say what are you still doing with that stranger? Eh? That bushy old poor thing. If I sound so. Eh? Is it news to you that this family will soon be welcoming the next governor of this state as a groom? Or news come to you? Eh? Now tell me, what will people say when they see you hanging around such person?
what would be their reaction? What would they say? Eh? You have turned to deaf and dumb. Okay? So you want to attract poverty, obiam, and ill luck to this family. Is that your plan? And let me shock you. If that is your plan, you have failed. You have failed woefully. Tell them you did not see us. Tell them you did not see us. Now calm down. Now listen to me. Get on. I am now ordering you to put an end to whatever you have with him. Did you hear what I said? Cut the tie. Put an end to whatever you have with that stranger. You can continue with him. That is after my daughter must have married her billionaire husband. Since that is where you want to tie your destiny. That is exactly where you want to hide your destiny and sit on it and dwell on it. Did you hear what I said? If I see you anywhere around him again, I will destroy you in Abuala. What nonsense! What an error! Bata no ni onu, bata lo wanza on atuano. Eh? Get inside! Can you imagine? Be no in the garden of birds. Ipono no, bata lo wanza pe bulongwe. Allow me to think straight, Biko. Nonsense. Kim, whatever I'm going to say to you now is from my heart. And I need you to listen to me. Please. I want you to send that man away. Yes, send that stranger away. Kim, that man is evil. He is ill luck. Kim, I can feel it right here. You can even feel it as well, can't you? Kim, that man is the reason I haven't been able to meet my billionaire husband. The man destined to be called my own. I missed my man that day because of the ugly encounter I had with that stranger. Listen, I was reliably informed by my informant that my husband-to-be is yet to return since the day he left. Kim, I know you are head over heels in love with him. But please, send him away. Heaven bear me witness, I wouldn't want to do anything that would come in between you and your happiness. But then, my sister, I know you would welcome anything that would change the lives of our family. Getting married to a rich and prominent man in this society will do lots of good to our family. Every night in my dreams, I see my billionaire husband coming to me as soon as you send him away. That man needs to go. He is evil. Listen to me. That stranger is evil. He is evil. There is something unusual about him. He will bring problem between us and Kim. He wants to come in between us. And Kim, look at it. He has come to destroy us. Please. I beg you. Send him away. I just want to get close to my husband-to-be. But he wouldn't let me. If he continues to be here, he wouldn't let me. Please just let him go. Please do this for me. I will be forever grateful. Please, Kim. Please. Please, Kim. Please. I beg you. Please do this for me. That man is my life. All my life I have craved to be with him. Please, Gabe, just send the stranger away.
Although it might take long, but destiny know they lie. Destiny has a voice. It speaks so loud and clear. So onye nweruche gaghọta the movements of destiny.
Ofuma, tell me the lesson you learned from the story of the rich man and the poor village girl.
Grandma, I learned that we should be mindful the way we treat people we see on the road, because no one knows tomorrow.
No one knows tomorrow.
I also learned that sometimes what we seek from in a very far place might be right there close to us, but we can only see when we have the eyes to see.
When we concentrate, when we pay attention to things around us. You're a smart little boy.
Thank you, Grandma. Grandma, yes. I'm going to buy you an aeroplane for the day man in the big man's land.
By then I will be so old or probably gone. I cannot get into the aeroplane with my walking stick.
No, Grandma. I know that my God will keep my beautiful grandma for me. He will make my grandma live long in Jesus' name.
Amen.
And I'll also buy you ununchi.
You buy me ununchi?
Yes.
Thank you, my son. Thank you. I love you.
I love you too.
Nne loves you so much. And how are you?
I'm fine.
You're welcome.
I was bored at home.
Where is your sister?
She's deep asleep. I decided to sneak out to come see you. You know, what we want to do? No father, no mother, no other siblings to talk to aside my sister. But right now she's deep asleep. I sneak out to come see you. You know I love listening to your stories.
Sit down and gain some knowledge.
Thank you, Nim. Thank you, Nim.
Now you're going to make me tell another story.
I'm ready.
And this time around is the story of the stingy man. The what? The stingy man.
Okay.
He was so rich, but he never knew how to give.
What will be, will be. No one can stop destiny. What will be, will be. No one can ever challenge God. What will be, will be. Whatever He says must stand. What will be, will be. What will be, will be. Will be, will be. Adia mara chisu. Onyo chori beze kote meriri. All you need is patience. Uwakwa kagata. Aburu kwa mogeme. Your destiny must suffer. Can never stop you from your destiny. What will be, will be.
So tell me, why have you refused shaving your beard or barbing your hair? You keep telling me you will and you never do it.
Maybe it's a reminder to me where I come from. Things have been true. My scars, or everything that has happened to me. And they need to work hard maybe sooner or later, my narratives would change and I will bab.
What? What?
How strange and mysterious love could be. Found in the strangest of places. It's amazing how close we've become within a short period of time. Love is indeed a strange thing. Love can make the strongest of all weak, and the weakest of all strong. I love you so much in Kenderim. I love you.
It feels so magical. How a person who was just a stranger would suddenly mean the whole world to us. She found love with the strangest of the strangers. I love you so much, Obin.
I love you more.
I love you more.
I love you more.
We don't have to argue. Mine is more. My love for you is more.
I love you more.
I said I love you more. I love you more. You know what? Whoever cut the biggest part of this meat has more love.
Okay.
Don't cheat.
No cheating.
that lunatic? Where's that lunatic? Where's that lunatic that asked again?
Manzionia, which lunatic?
You think we don't know? Where's that lunatic of a stranger you are harboring here?
Stop looking around like you don't know what you're talking about. Where is he?
Look at him, the Jamaican Jesus.
Oh, no.
But you pretend you don't know.
Right? In our community. So what?
Huh?
But he's not a lunatic.
He's what? Huh? Oh, okay. You have been hiding him, pretending you don't know. How else can you describe a lunatic if not someone who has a mental disorder? Look at him. Look at his beard. Look at his hairs. Not shaved. Recently he goes about laying ambush, raping our girls in this community. Yes. And today it was your sister Kwanwa he molested.
before. Akwamwa, why are you doing all this? I did not cook it up. I fried it up. Do you have a problem with that? It's not fair.
The elders in council do not want to start asking questions while his act of nuisance is in the open. Young man, you can no longer hold our daughter hostage. You have to leave this community at once.
Nayonya, he goes nowhere.
What?
I am a full and freeborn of this community. Yeah. And Obi here is my friend. Of what benefit is it sending a homeless man away? A man who has done nothing wrong but live his life harmlessly as it comes. A man who is trying to meet and associate with new people so he could pick up pieces of his lives and start over again. What has he done wrong?
Whatever this young man has used to hold you down expires today. Use it.
Obi ojo, Obi ojo, na jaranja. Akane punki mereme, ingwe mezi ozo. Oh, Obi ojo, na jaranja. Akane bunki mereme, iwe besi ozo. Bagareba, jangareba, onyane weya meregi. Abo kinika meregi. Wanomo. Oh, Babankata, Zubelo, Iseme Janyene, Weya Meregi, Abukinika Meregi. Akane punki mereme, iwe mezi ozo.
What do you stand to gain? Life is indeed funny.
Look Onyala name someone. Onyala, Jamaican Jesus, the name proverb. Gather everything. Nala.
Ogareba, Jangareba, Onyane Weya Meregi. Abo Kinika Meregi. One more. Oh, Babankata, Zubelo, Iseme Janyene Weya Meregi. Abukinika Meregi. One way on you, Metro. Obi Aja, no one Ajaranja. Akane punki mereme, ewa, iwe mezi azanuwe. Obi Aja, na jaka kwanuwe. akane kunki mereme iwe bese no zanuwe Bogareba, Chayareba, on your name, way, Meregi. I'm okay, Meregi. Get it, Meregi.
It's only a coward that runs away from his father's land in the face of danger. But a real man stands and faces his fears. It's my wish to journey back to my father's land and face whatever that might come my way. But then, be my wife, Kendirim. Be my backbone. Be the mother of my unborn children. You are everything I want and more. Please don't say no.